going to be harvesting some elderberries today, y'all, and I want to show you how I do it, because it can be pretty frustrating figuring out how to get all these little berries off without busting them, getting red juice all over your hands, which will dye your hands. Let me show you my tip. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the head off. Once I got that cluster of berries, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my bag. Let's keep collecting, then I'll show you the next step. Now put your berries in the freezer for a couple hours. Let's grab these berries now that they're good and frozen. Now, I'm just going to beat it up a little bit. Now let's dump them out. Oh, look at it. You can tell. Look at them just falling right out. Just pouring out. Oh, yeah. Once I got most, 99% of the stems out, scoop them up into 1 cup, bag them up, put them in the freezer, because my recipe for elderberry syrup calls for 1 cup of berries. So I go ahead and just bag up 1 cup of berries at a time.